Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills, and if you are new, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also turn on your notifications so you'll know when I post a new video. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I remove my eyelash extensions, my individual extensions. So I was going on a trip to Puerto Rico, and I knew that I was going to be in the water, beach, swimming, whatever, and I knew that I needed my lashes done because I didn't want to have to apply any strip lashes each and every day or each and every night. So I went to get my lashes professionally done. So now I'm just basically showing you how I apply this product, which is iEnvy by Kiss eyelash adhesive removal. So basically I'm just applying it on my lash. Just of course still try not to get it in your eye. So you use the tweezers to slowly try to pull the lashes off your natural eyelash, but if you find yourself pulling too hard, then just apply a little bit more of the removal, and then go back and try it again. As you can see, I had to use the lash removal about 3 or 4 times, which still wasn't bad. I mean, I'd rather have enough on there, versus pulling my actual lashes out. And the process still didn't take but about 10 minutes or less. I am now done with removing my lashes. Like I said, the process wasn't bad at all. So right now you see me taking a cold towel to my eyes, and I'm actually wiping up. I would recommend wiping up versus down, to avoid getting the product in your eye. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.